Okay, what we're going to do is show you how you can create a post on the back end of your WordPress. So when you log in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. What you'll need to do is scroll down to the left hand side of your dashboard screen. Click on all posts. Once you click on all posts, you'll scroll down. The very first post you will see is copy this post. What we're going to do is clone it. You'll click clone, and it'll create another draft for you. You want to keep this post the same for the most part. You won't have to make any changes to it. This will be your template that you use every time you create a post. You can add, subtract, or do anything else that you want with that template from there. So we'll click edit, and when we click edit, you'll see how the post is laid out. If you press preview, right over here to the side, you'll be taken to a preview screen that can show you exactly how this layout looks. Alright, so if you look here, this is where the image is, this is where your text is, and this is where your image gallery will be, as well as your other text. And if we look here, the actual feature image is right here. So when you post your images here to be featured, it will show up at the top of your website here. So that's where your feature image is. Then it begins to go through the content piece. Feature image, your title. Your title will actually be shown from here. The text, your text is right here. So first text block is in that section. Second text blocks, I mean. Then we have a image in between the two, which is right there, your image slider. Awesome. So now that we know where everything is, here's how you make changes. Now that you're logged in, you press the little pencil icon after scrolling your mouse over the section, and then you're able to change your text to whatever you want it to be. And if you want to know what it looks like now, you press preview again, and then go to your page, and then you will see that the edit that I created shows up here. Now if I want to change my image, I would click on the pencil icon again, then I can add in whatever pictures I want, remove whatever pictures I want. The only thing you'll have to do is just press the X, and then if you want to add more pictures, you have two choices. You can either upload your pictures here, and you can bulk upload them. Just control and click on all the items that you want to upload, or you can select from pictures that you've previously uploaded in the past. We're going to use some that we use in the demo. And as you see, each one of these will get a check for however many we want to have in the gallery. The gallery will show down here at the bottom. So it's like we selected 5 images. We'll press add. Now this shows that the images are here. We'll press save. And just for good measure, so that you can see us edit the text again, we will remove I want to know how that looks. I'll press preview again. And now it looks like I've edited everything in that space. I can go back to my page. I already know where my feature image is, but if we wanted to change the feature image, click the change, and there it is. Last thing is that we would change whatever our title would be. So just a test is the name that I want to name it to, and I will change the URL to whatever I want the URL to be, and click publish. Once this is published, you can click on view post, and it should reflect all the changes that you just made. Just a test, the image, the feature image that we changed, just a test again, 1, 2, 3, 4, ending of the training post, all of the images. Now, one of the things that you are also able to do is if we click on the edit page or edit post, you are able to disable this feature image. And the way that you can do that is one of two ways. You can just remove the image and update the post and it won't show. Or if you scroll down, you'll see code post layout. And it has a feature saying hide feature image. Click yes. Click update. View post. Now that it's refreshed, and now you don't see the featured posts. So you could just have only text and an image gallery or an image. Alright, hopefully that gives you a good thorough training, at least of the main basics that you will want to learn in regards to making the post. If you got any other questions, just touch bases with me.